Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price. Loaded with features. Features also include navigation system, heated seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration, sun moonroof. With these ratings, stop by and take a look at the 2017 Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, home link garage door opener, cruise control, floor mats, aluminum wheels, hands-free communication. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.